Now let us compute length of this string using pointer variable. So you can observe I have taken a string name as hello world, and star ptr is the pointer variable. Ptr is pointing to the base address which is str. Now you can start counting the number of characters inside this string, which is the length of the string. You can consider len equal to 0, representing the length of the string. Now using while loop, you can iterate here. So while star ptr not equal to null character, so if this is the case, then you can increment the length of the string, okay, because you have to count each and every character inside the string. So len plus plus, and also move this ptr to the next position. After counting the first character, it has to move to the second character, okay. So once all the characters are counted, you can display the length of the string here. So length of string is %d len. Using len a variable, you can display the length of the string. Now let's run this code and see the result. Length of the string is 11. So clearly there are total 11 characters in this string, including space. Total 11 characters are there. So this is how you can find the length of this string. Okay. And you can also try passing this str as parameter to the function and identify the length of the string in another function. So let me show you here. So ptr is equal to str, and we are going to implement a separate function to find the length of the string. So I'll write my own function, which is mystrlen, and here I'll use the pointer variable like star ptr pointer, okay, and you can see ptr is equal to str. And here since we are passing character pointer, this must be character pointer as well, okay. So the idea is to just consider a variable called n, okay, to find the length of the string. N is equal to, call this function mystrlen function and pass this str as parameter, okay, because everything we are computing in the other function, so you don't need to take this pointer at all in this function. So n is equal to mystrlen of str. I am passing str as parameter to mystrlen function. And finally, you can display the length of the string here. Printf string length. String length is, and here you can display length of the string using variable n, okay. And you have to implement this mystrlen function. So with the help of pointers, that is character pointer. So let us consider another character pointer like char star temp, okay. And initially I'll consider temp is equal to ptr. Both this ptr and temp are pointing to the base address of the string str. Now I will iterate only the temp pointer. So while this star temp is not equal to null character, we can iterate here. So you can move this temp pointer to the next position, okay. So since only one line, you can skip this temp plus plus, okay. Once a star temp is pointing to null character, then finally you can return here temp minus ptr. As we know, character location is going to occupy only a 1 byte. Okay, so temp is now pointing to the last location in the string, and ptr is already pointing to the first location in the string. So it will give you the difference, right? And that will become the length of the string. Okay, so let's run this code and see the result. String length is 11. So this is a string, right? Hello space world, total 11 characters are there, and we are able to get the same result. Okay, so this is how you can pass string name as parameter to the function and use character pointer to point to that string and compute the length of the string here. Okay.